Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Stop the music. Oh my good gosh almighty, Mike Roberts. Hey yo, Mike Roberts. We did this. What was this on? What did we do this on Monday? Last Thursday? Last Thursday was the last pack. Mike Roberts. I'm telling you, it's almost like he needs to replay. Last Thursday, we did this with Mike Roberts. He got the number 1 card. It was Magic Johnson. This time around, he wanted the number 2 card. Wanted number 2 card. And I can say with all certainty, everything that I've touched in terms of this is turn to gold for you, Mike Roberts. Spot number 8. Mike Roberts, card number 4. The hit from French Lick, Larry Bird. Oh my God, Roberts, I wish I had a camera at your house right now. You gotta be jumping through your roof. First you end up with Magic Johnson, and now you end up with Larry Bird. Roberts, this card, oh my goodness, it looks really good. It looks really, really good. Iron Ripper in the house right there. But look at that, Roberts. Just the slightest bit to the right. The slightest. Roberts can't control himself.